What is up, guys? It's Jira bro back with another video, and today's topic is going to be something very interesting, and this time we're going to be talking about a team managed projects, but more specifically managing the project roles. Now, when it comes to the management of project roles, project admins, they can manage these roles both in team managed and the company managed projects. So since the focus is on the team managed projects today, here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to the project settings in here, and when we go to the project settings in here, we're also gonna go for the axis. Now when it comes to the axis, so now it says anyone with access to this site, they can search for, view, and create and edit this project's issue. So that is one of the things that is something that is part of the team managed project, because they have three levels of project access: open, limited, and the private. Now, in order to manage your roles, you need to be using at least your standard license. And when you have the access to the standard license, you will be given access to the manage roles option. Now, when you actually do this, you're going to be presented with three roles. These roles are three built-in roles for the team managed project. So administrator, member, and viewer. Now, what we want to do is actually create a new role. So when we create a new role, we will be presented with this screen right here, and also the options what we can actually do with this role. So I'm gonna say, like, for example, developer, and I'm gonna say developer working on a project. All right. So now, since I have defined this, now we wanna go and define the roles. All right. So project role of a developer. Let's say the developer doesn't really need a lot of things. So they need to be able to create the issues. They need to be able to comment on the issues. They need to be able to add attachments. They need to be, that's and also to view the development tools like the code and all of the other great stuff that actually comes within the developer tools. So let's get started in here. So I don't want a developer to administer this project, neither to manage the issues, neither to manage the sprints, not really needed. Access development tools, this is what we actually need. So, and then we have edit, assign, transition, link, and log work on any issue. So this is on any issue, right? And basically on any issue, you can move basically any issue. So I don't actually want them to move my since I'm an administrator, I don't want them to be able to do that. So I'm going to enable for them to create the issues, and also to add the attachments as well, to add the comments, to delete their own attachments. So view watchers, not really. So I'm not gonna be really focused on that. And when we are actually finished with this, I'm just gonna assign. I can go with myself, or I can go with any other user that I wanted to. And the another great thing that you can actually do is to create a group where you're going to put all of your developers in. And when you actually insert this group into your project, everyone that is within that group will and based on the project role that you assign to that group, will have all of the permissions when it comes to, well, adding the users to this group. And basically that's it. You just click on create, and there you have it. Now also I have a developer working on a project. Now the question is, okay, what I can also do. Yes, you can go for the fields in here if you actually want. The one thing that you can also do, for example, I can say in this project that if I add an issue type here, and I'm going to say code, no, it's not gonna be code reviews or something like that. I'm gonna say app support, and I'm gonna click on create. Now when I have the app support, what I want to do is edit the restrictions. Now how do we actually do this? We do it in the team managed projects with this padlock right here. We click it, and now what we want to do is for new issues, only allow these roles to view them by default. And I'm going to restrict, and now it's locked. Alright, so only ones who actually have this role will be able to see this issue type. Alright, so yeah, that is everything that I wanted to show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.